You're on a plane, rolling toward a runway marked 27, but your phone compass says you're facing not 27 degrees. So what are these numbers? Distances, gate numbers, a secret code? Here's the consequence. In rain, fog, or snow, those 2 digits might be the last thing confirming you're on the correct strip of pavement. Line up wrong, and you can end up aiming at the wrong lights, the wrong terrain, or even another aircraft. Here's the myth. Runway numbers are not random, and they're not telling you how many feet you have left. They're a direction, picked so it still works when fancy systems don't. Mechanism reveal. That big 27 is basically a giant compass shortcut. Take the runway's magnetic heading, the direction a magnetic compass points when you're lined up. Drop the last digit, round to the nearest whole number, and paint it. 270 degrees becomes 27. Runway 09 is about 90 degrees, roughly east. 18 is about 180, south. And the same strip of pavement used the other way? Add or subtract 18. So 09 becomes 27. 18 becomes 36. No 00, by the way. 360 degrees is written as 36. Now the weird letters. If an airport has parallel runways with the same heading, you'll see L, C, R. Left, center, right, relative to the pilot's approach. Because saying cleared to land runway 27 isn't enough when there are 2 or 3 27s side by side. Trade-off. So why not paint the exact number, like 273, or use true north, or even GPS coordinates? Because at 140 knots on short final, pilots need a glance-and-go cue that matches the simplest backup instrument in the cockpit, a magnetic compass. Electronics can glitch. GPS can be jammed, displays can go dark, but a magnetic compass is passive. It doesn't care about batteries, and fewer digits means faster recognition, bigger paint, and less chance of reading it wrong at speed. So, why do runways sometimes get renamed? Because magnetic north moves. The runway doesn't rotate. The compass reference does. Over years, the magnetic heading of that same runway can drift enough that 27 becomes 28. When the rounded heading crosses the threshold, airports repaint the numbers, update charts, and retrain everyone who uses that field. It's annoying, expensive, and sometimes it happens fast, because confusion is worse. This isn't just tradition, it's standardization. Aviation rules require runway designations to match magnetic direction and to be unambiguous at an airport. That's why the numbers run from 01 to 36. That's why opposite directions differ by 18. And that's why charts, signs, ATC callouts, and pilot checklists all orbit the same simple rule. Magnetic heading, chopped, rounded, standardized. So next time you see 04, you can decode it instantly. Roughly 040 degrees. Northeast. See 22? That's about 220. Southwest. Those strange runway numbers aren't decoration. They're the last, biggest, simplest navigation instrument on the entire airport. If you want more small things with big reasons, subscribe.